Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel once again. So here's a challenge question from Laspotech, also known as Lasutech. The old name is Laspotech and the new name is Lasutech in Lagos State. Typical questions. This is a question given to me by one of my students from Lasutech. He's currently in year 4. So he asked me to explain these questions to him yesterday, just yesterday. So and I said, okay, though I solved it for him, but I still want you to share it on my channel so that others can learn from it. Okay, please pay attention to how I'm going to solve this question in case you see it in your exam. Okay. Now we are told that if a raised to the power of x equals to b raised to the power of y equals to c raised to the power of z and b squared equals to ac, show that means you prove that y equals to 2xz over x plus z. All right, so let's get down straight to business. Solution. Let me write that down. A raised to the power of x is equals to b raised to the power of y is equals to c raised to the power of what? Z. That is what we are given. So and we also told that and b squared is equals to AC. So we want to show that y equals to the whole of this one. So what you need to do first is this, please. Listen up. Since this last one that you have here, last expression we have here, we have B, we have A and C all in one place. This is also in one place, but they are now having bridge. They are having two bridge. This is one bridge, this is another bridge. So what you do is to pair them, pair this one and also pair this one. That is, you make A and C set of the formula because of this one that is here. So if I start with A, I have a raised to the power of x equals to b raised to the power of y. So I have to make a set of the what? Formula by moving this one to this place. And how do I move this one to this place? Take the inverse of this x, which is 1 over x, and take it as your what? As your square. Okay? So we are going to have something like this. A raised to the power of x, 1 over x. Can you see that? Then equals to what? B raised to the power of y, also 1 over what? X. So that this will cancel out this one. So what do you have left here? We have what? A left here equals to what? B raised to the power of y over x. I have been able to move this x to this place. So A is now equals to what? B raised to the power of what? Y over x. Are we together? All right. So same thing, you make C out of the formula by combining these two. So if I combine these two, I have B raised to the power of y equals to C raised to the power of z. Don't forget I am making what? C set of the word formula. So I have to move this z back to this place. But you can still write this in another form. This same thing as what? Saying C raised to the power of z equals to B raised to the power of what? Y. Are we together? So I will apply the same principle here to this. I want to move this z to this side. I'll take the inverse of z, which is going to give me c raised to the power of z, then bracket 1 over z equals to what? B raised to the power of y, bracket what? 1 over z. So that this and this will cancel out. This will cancel out this. So you are now left with c equals to b raised to the power of y over what? Z. So let me call that equation 2. So I have been able to make both A and C set of the word formula. So what I will just do is to just go back to this place. Therefore, B squared equals to AC. So anywhere I see A now, I'm going to put what? The whole of this there. And where I see C, I'm going to put the whole of this there. You understand? So if I do that, I'm going to have B squared will be equals to, what is my A? My A is simply what? B raised to the power of y over what? B raised to the power of what? Y over what? X. So you have B raised to the power of y over x multiplied by what? The value of C, which is what? B raised to the power of what? Y over z. Can you see that? So this is same thing as saying B squared again equals to what? I will apply what? Laws of what? Indices on this side because the bases are the same. So if you bring one of the base out, you have B, y over x, then you add the power y over z because multiplication changes to what? Addition. Do you get it? So since the base are now the same, what is the rule of indices in this case? If the base are the same, equate the powers. Please do not make mistake by cancelling out this power, by showing it by cancelling. It is wrong. Just simply tell them that since the base are the same, equate the powers together. So when you equate the powers, you are going to have 2 equals to what? Y over x plus what? Y over z. So since the base are what? Since the base are the same, equate, please, the powers. That's what I simply did there. You understand that? So with that now, I can take the LCM here. 2 will now be equals to LCM of this is what? Xz. Right? So xz divided by x, you are left with z. And z times y is what? Zy. Can you see that? Xz divided by z, you have what? X. X times y is what? Xy. Do you understand? So cross multiply. So you are going to have what? 2xz equals to what? Zy plus xy. Don't forget that zy plus xy is same thing as what? Xy plus zy. They are the same. Okay? So what am I making inside the formula? Y. So I can factorize from this side by saying that what? 2xz will now be equals to y open bracket z plus x. I told you that z plus x, they are the same thing as what? X plus z. Okay, so I am making y side of the word formula now. So let me just manage this space for it, please. That will not need to rub off any parts. So let's manage this space for it. So that means I'm coming from here now down to this point. Okay, so what am I supposed to do here? Let me write that back. 2xz equals to y bracket z plus x. So I have to divide both sides by what now? Z plus x to get the value of what? Y. Z plus x, z plus x. So that this will cancel out this one. So you are now left with y equals to 2xz over z plus x. So it has been what? Proved. So I told you that this z plus x is something as saying what? X plus z. So you can see that we have already proved the stuff. So this is proved. It has been proved. So that is how you prove problems like this. Okay, it's not difficult. So just try to stay. No, more of this is still coming. So just try to stay updated on this channel. Don't forget to like my video, share this video, follow me on my TikTok page, my Facebook page, and on YouTube page here, please. I'll see you guys in next time. In case you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. Yeah, you can drop in the comment section.